bakit ka umalis sa Philippines? At wag mong sagutin ng ambot kasi yung shit mo ambot. They're stuck in the Philippines, wanting to go abroad but they can't kasi siguro may iniisip sila, magdadalawang isip sila. What can you advise to these people? Kayo mga Filipino, mga politicians, tingnan nyo, review the healthcare.
I want them to see it for themselves. I want them to cry at the situation of a simple, regular Filipino.
Hey Nurse Squads, another day, another nurse. This is EJ, your nurse photographer in the UK.
And this is Siege Manto, your digital nurse from London.
And this is a show created by nurses for nurses. And this is the
Nurses
Show! How are you, bro?
I'm good. It's another day.
Yes, another nurse.
Syempre, another guest naman. And pag-usapan natin, bro, yung very interesting topic siya.
Okay.
Kasi I'm sure madaming nagtatanong din. Pati yung mga hindi nurses, tinatanong din to. So the topic is bakit ang daming nagli-leave? Bakit ang daming umaalis sa Philippines ng mga Filipino nurses?
Bakit maraming nag-a-abroad?
Bakit maraming nag-abroad?
Oh, ang ganda ng topic na yan,
Yes.
bro.
At dahil dyan, sasamahan tayo. Tama ba yung Tagalog? At dahil dyan?
Oh, dahil dyan, sasamahan tayo ng...
At dahil dyan, sasamahan tayo ng ating guest today. He is a nurse working in a chemo day unit. And he is also a climbing enthusiast. So, yung mga climbing ba?
Parang dami niyang hobbies, no? Ito.
Ang dami niyang
Ano
hobbies,
pa siya? Daming tattoo din.
Yes, he's also a tattoo enthusiast.
Dami.
Yeah. Fitness din.
Enthusiast, yeah.
So, I'm sure excited na yung mga audience natin, yung mga viewers. So, please welcome Ed.
Ed,
Hello! Thank you so much for having me, guys.
thank you, Ed. Yeah.
It's an
Grabe
honor.
naman yung introduction niya sa akin.
Grabe pinaghandaan talaga namin.
I'm just
Kamusta?
a regular nurse.
Kumusta
Hindi,
ka, bro?
walang regular
With a
nurse.
story.
We're
Oh,
also
yeah.
special
Yeah.
nurses. Yeah.
So, kumusta ka, Ed?
Okay naman. Ang init dito ngayon.
Ang init.
Ang init ngayon sa
Naka-jacket
UK.
pa ako. Pero actually, malamig na ngayon kasi September na.
Medyo na.
September na ngayon.
Oh, September na pala. Medyo parang Tagaytay.
Mainit lang
feels.
sa kwarto kasi yung heater ata, bro.
Tsaka ang lighting.
Oo, tama yung lighting.
So, Ed, yeah. Tell us about a little bit of a background.
So,
about
I'm
you.
Ed. I am working in a chemo day unit sa isang hospital trust in East London. I've been a nurse here in the UK since 2018. And I like it so far. I'm happy na naging British na ako.
Wow,
I'm very
British.
happy about the opportunities I get here. And this topic that I want to help the Nurse Show discuss about is why are there so many Filipino nurses abroad, not only in the UK, US, Middle East? That's a question that many people are asking, but sometimes are afraid to ask.
Oo nga.
So we're here to
Talk about
help
Talk
you
about it.
answer
Okay.
that.
Yeah.
Bago ang lahat, saan ka pala, Ed, sa Philippines?
Sa Philippines, I grew up in Iloilo province, and then I studied in Iloilo City. So I actually have two different Ilonggo accents kasi sa province we'll have a different dialect, and sa city mayroong mas malambot na accent. It's kind of like parang Scottish accent siguro yung mother tongue ko.
Anong tawag doon?
Kinaray-a.
Okay. Yan ba yung
Yeah.
mga sa mga antike?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
okay.
Very,
Yeah.
very
Ano
much
mas
similar.
malambing? Ano mas malambing?
Mas malambing yung sa city, yung
Ah,
Hiligay
city.
nun. Yeah.
Can you
Okay,
give
ganun.
us a sample? Like,
Oo.
well, how do you say, kumain na ba kayo mga nurse squads?
Oo.
Kakaano ka mo mga nurse squads?
Wow.
Yan yung
So,
ano,
medyo,
yan yung...
that's Kinaraya.
Kinaraya.
Paano kung parang galit ka? Baka galit ka sa akin, bro, kasi tamad ako sa work.
Like,
pero Ilonggo.
Kinaraya or Hiligay nun?
Kinaraya, nagalit.
Let's do Hiligay nun kasi mas malambing.
sige, sige.
Pero galit ako sa'yo kasi tamad ka sa
Tamad
work.
ako sa work, parang staff mo ako. Dali.
Okay, yeah. Nano, kamanin mo yung mga katamad-tamad sa mo. Ano yung nubra?
Parang hindi pa din galit.
Parang hindi siya galit, no? Oo. Man, Jude, uy!
Ganon yung mga Ilonggo. Very, very sweet talaga sila magsalita. No? Yeah.
Oo nga.
I think that's been part of our identity now.
Kaya nga city niyo, city of love, di ba?
Yes,
Kasi
that's
mga
the
loving
reason.
kayo,
Yeah.
char.
So, for how long ka nag-nurse sa Philippines?
I've been a nurse since 2014. Nag-graduate po ako 2013. And then, kasi kailangan mo pa munang mag-volunteer before you get absorbed to a hospital and get experience. So,
Oo.
mahirap. Before you get into that nursing experience ladder, you have to go through unpaid work. And I think with this topic today,
Yeah.
isa sa mga reasons bakit
Oo.
ang daming nurses abroad.
Yeah. So, diretsong tanong. Doon na tayo sa topic. Bakit ka umalis sa Philippines? At wag mong sagutin ng ambot kasi yung t-shirt mo ambot. Bakit nga ba?
Ang hirap ng buhay ng nurse sa Pilipinas. I was forced to be a nurse by my parents and my relatives kasi may mga relatives din kaming na
Nurse,
mga
mga
nurses
auntie,
abroad,
mga
mga aunties, yes. We have to respect our Filipino aunties. They're strong. But yes, life as a nurse sa Pilipinas is very tough. Ang hirap talaga mabuhay doon. Ang pasahod mo is almost next to nothing. Kasi I remember my life as a nurse, even as a short time, that was a period of 2014 to 2016 when I was a nurse in the Philippines. Sa Iloilo City to and I still have to ask money from my parents.
Same, may baon pa tayo.
Oo.
Parang nag-school pa din tayo, no?
Diba? So, ang hirap talaga. How do we survive that? No. That's one of the main motivations of Filipino nurses, qualified and high-quality nurses, to go out, explore options abroad,
Yeah.
kasi we'll be better remunerated
Yeah.
sa labas.
Ikaw bro, ano bang nagpa-inspire sa'yo para mag-abroad ka?
Ako naman, yung course ko nursing, parents talaga choice.
Okay.
Pati yung pag-abroad, pati pag-work ko sa hospital, parents pa
Parents
din.
talaga.
Pati yung pag-abroad ko,
Oo,
parents
kasi
pa
I
din.
remember gusto mo maging pilot.
Oo. Lahat parents yung gusto nila. Pero ako kasi very obedient child kasi ako. Tsaka very loving child. Shout out sa kong mama at papa. Pero I did not regret it. Kasi kung hindi ko sila finalo, feel ko wala ako dito. Wala akong travel. Kasi dream ko talaga mag-travel.
Yeah.
So hindi ako maka-travel siguro kung hindi ko sila finalo. So I'm very thankful. Ikaw?
Ako, actually, gusto ko talaga mag-doktor.
Oh.
Kaya yung first course ko is biology. Kaya pre-med ko. Tapos hindi ko nasabihin yung year. Pag-graduate ko ng biology, March, ay pumunta na ako Manila, nag-NMAT ako. Tapos pagdating doon, mag-enroll na sana ako ng medicine. Nung time na yun, kailangan ko sabihin yung year. Yung time ng 2005-2006, boom na boom yung nursing. Super. Lahat ng doktor nagna-nurse. I mean, hindi naman lahat. Most ng mga doctors parang nagna-nurse para makapunta abroad. So, parang naano ko yung point na magme-medicine ako na matagal. Tapos, ba't itong mga doktor na iba nagna-nurse?
Nag-nursing,
Parang dumating ako sa point na ganun.
Yeah.
Nung time na yun, honestly, na parang easy-go-lucky kasi ako sa Manila, magbubulak-bulak ako. Sabi ko, parang, okay, kaya mag-nursing na rin din ako. Kasi nung nag-inquire ako doon, parang i-credit lahat ng minors ko. Parang 2.5 years na lang.
Yeah.
So, why not mag-nursing na kaya ako? Tiyawag ako nanay ko. Sabi ko, mag-nursing na ako. Sabi niya, balak sa buhay mo. Kasi dapat mag-med. So, di yun choice ng mom ko. Choice ko. Kasi parang feeling ko, sige, after ko mag-graduate nitong nurse, magiging mayaman na ako. Yun kasi yung
Mindset.
Kasi
Yeah.
yung time na yun, pag naka-abroad ka, ang taas ng sahod, nakakabili ng sports car, parang, kaya ang daming nag-nurse talaga nung time na yun. Isipin mo sa Fatima, bro, ang section namin from A to Z, tapos may A1 pa. Ang may A1,
Mga subsections.
may subsection pa, A1A, A1B, sobrang dami.
Yeah.
So, yun talaga.
Yeah.
Mm.
So, since yung topic natin is bakit madaming umalis sa Philippines, ating himay-himayin.
Oh,
Isa-isahin
sige.
natin.
Himayin
So, let's
natin.
start with, ano bang one of the reasons?
Number
tingin
one
mo?
factor
Number one.
talaga
Yeah.
is economic motivation.
Okay. Tell us more.
Instant economic upgrade when you go abroad as a nurse.
Sweldo.
It doesn't matter kung anong country yung pipiliin mo, UK, Middle East, USA,
Lahat mas malaki
yeah.
compared to Philippines.
compared to the Philippine sahod. I think I was earning 3,500 quincenas yun eh.
Parehas
Every
tayo.
15 days you will get paid.
Yeah.
And parang 3,000 to 3,500 yung ma-receive mo every 15 days.
Yeah. Parang isang night out lang, no?
Isang night out lang yun. How much is that? I don't know how much is that in pounds. Kasi nasa UK tayo.
Mababa.
Mababa.
Maybe
para mga
50.
like,
Lahat naman
Less than 100
lahat tayo
pounds.
nag-start sa ganung range eh.
Mga 60? 50?
yeah.
Ganon.
Ganun.
Imagine. It's like one
Grabe.
grocery sa Lidl or sa
Oh.
Aldi.
But of course, we have to take into consideration naman yung cost of living sa different countries that we live in. Ngayon, pero mahal
Pero
na yun eh.
kahit na Ed, 3-5, sorte tayo kasi may family, may bahay pa tayong tinitirhan.
Yeah.
Kasi we're living sa family. I don't know ikaw, pero ako, I'm
Same,
living sa
yeah.
family ko.
Same.
What if yung mga tao na walang parents na?
Oo.
Would you be able to pay your
Oh,
rent? with that?
3,500. 3,500.
Nag-rent pa, wala.
Diba?
No.
Pero may mga ganun.
May mga ganun, no?
Nag-rent pa.
Paano kaya nakakaya
Grabe.
yun?
As in.
kaya yun talaga, one of the reasons, number one reason talaga why there are so many Filipino nurses going abroad is yun, the economic factor that comes in with it. Nurses in the Philippines are not well compensated. So if you're watching this, kayong mga nasa Pilipinas, please, can you please encourage your government
Yeah. Oo.
na please value your nurses. We are all quality educated nurses. Sobrang, the international world is actually seeing Filipino nurses as gems.
Yes.
And why cannot our own country appreciate us for what we are? No?
Oo.
So I'm very passionate about this
Yeah,
kasi
that's okay.
Oo.
I know our value.
Mm.
Yeah.
And hindi ko talaga matanggap na ang Pilipinas is turning a blind eye or sometimes even humiliating nurses or putting us in a bad light by giving us so much unrealistic expectations. Wow, perfect. Perfect ang dapat ang nurse na ang taas-taas ng expectations yun. Dapat mag-smile kami lahat para sa'yo. You need to attend to your needs right away.
Yeah.
Magkano pasabo sa akin? 3,500 pesos for 15 days. Oy, no. It has to change. And I think with your platform, Nurse and Show, I'm very
Yeah.
passionate about sharing this topic. And I hope maka-reach ito sa mga tamang ears.
Oo.
Na please action something. We want to go back. Kami mga nurses abroad. It will be so nice to
Of
live
course,
in the Philippines.
living in the
no?
Philippines, the perfect weather.
Aman.
Venice, bro.
Oh,
may
aman.
beach, may family, kasamang family. Hindi mahal
Yeah.
yung bayad. Imagine mo, bro. Imagine nyo, bros, kung Philippines ka, tapos yung sweldo mo, same sa UK. Di ba?
Oh, what a life.
Parang paradise.
Heaven, no?
Oh.
Yeah, that would be
Pero,
great. Yeah.
Parang hanggang dream
That's
na lang siguro
unrealistic.
tayo, awan ko.
No? But I'm pretty sure the government can find a way to find a middle ground to better compensate your nurses. Ang gagaling ng mga nurses ng Pilipinas, everyone in the world is recognizing this, na sobrang quality ang nursing and compassion that we give to our patients. So gusto ko makita ng mga Filipinos na this is what you are forsaking. So until that gets fixed, we'll stay abroad.
Alis yung mga
Oh,
nurses.
tama.
Hmm.
Yun naman kasi number one talagang reason.
Yeah,
Kasi kung compensated well tayo sa Pinas, pa tayo nandito. Diba?
exactly.
Tsaka honestly din, walang nag-nursing kasi they want to, ako lang to ha,
Ay,
opinion ko lang ha,
oh.
nag-nursing ka ba kasi gusto mo makatulong sa family, sa humanity?
No.
No.
No, di ba?
No.
Nag-nursing tayo. Ako, honestly, na-nursing ako kasi sabi ng parents ko kasi kikita ako ng malaki sa abroad.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yun talaga.
Yun talagang main.
Nag-nursing ba kayo na dahil gusto niyo magstay sa Philippines at mag-work lang doon habang buhay?
Siguro wala. Wala akong kilala.
Sabi ni Hero siya.
Baka meron. Meron
May mga meron.
naman
Baka
siguro.
meron,
There will
pero
be different factors
majority-
like may family ka or you're
Ba,
looking after
gusto mo
someone
talaga.
sick.
Mm.
Yeah.
Meron siguro. Di naman natin sila.
pero majority.
Pero majority talaga.
Kasi gusto nila mag-abroad.
Yeah, it's a
Number
very
money.
easy
Sa
ticket.
tingin ko sa isang classroom, tanongin mo kano, yun talaga. Siguro 90%.
90%. Oo.
Yeah.
Mm.
There are also some people who take up nursing kasi magandang pre-med siya as what you said, EJ, kanina. Kasi if you take up nursing as a pre-med, napakagandang course
Maganda.
niya.
Oo.
You will be a very good doctor kasi
Yeah.
you'll be more compassionate, I think, to your patients kasi you know
More hands-on
how they
kasi
feel.
sa,
Yeah.
sa patient
That's true.
compared to other pre-meds.
May napanood akong content about that. Kasi nag-compare sila ba nursing, tapos medtech, tapos parang
Pharmacy.
physio, pharmacy.
Bio.
Meron sila mga positive per
Each
Pero
one
sa
will
nursing
have-
daw, yung patient interaction. Kasi nung student pa sila,
They
meron na
already
silang
had that
interaction.
experience.
They know usually sinasabi ng mga
Yeah.
patients sa ward, ano yung mga away-away dun sa station, ano yung mga challenges and all. So,
Yeah.
Easy for them na.
meron na silang idea, so easy for them na. Yeah.
Okay.
Yun.
So, yun talaga yung reason mo.
Number
meron
one
pa ba?
reason.
May,
Number
ano
one
pang reason?
Number 2.
Number 2 reason.
Ilan ba to? 10 to or 20? 1 hour ba tayo dito?
Hindi naman. Siguro mga 4 or 5.
Sige.
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 Number 2, I think, is as I mentioned earlier, the quality of the nurses from the Philippines. And the world already knows that Filipino nurses are one of the best. Kasi napaka compassionate natin. And I don't know if it's inherent to us. Kasi, family values sa Philippines is very tight, right? Like, we live with our parents and we are raised with so much family values. And I think that transcends sa nursing skills natin. We're very compassionate and I think we're more empathetic
Yeah.
in terms of feeling for our patients. I think that's the reason why Na ang daming nating commendations from the patients. Whenever they see that they're being looked after by a Filipino nurse, they feel safe.
Hindi naman sa pag-brag, pero ganun talaga yung
I think that's
comment nila,
true.
no?
I think that's true. I couldn't say for everyone, and I don't want to say or intend na Filipino nurses are better than other nurses na hindi Filipinos. It's just a comment from patients. At least in my experience.
Yeah.
A comment from fellow nurses as well na hindi Filipino.
Correct.
Meron din akong comment, like, for example, yung she's Polish.
Mm.
Sabi niya, sa virtual ward, sabi niya, pag gamot daw, hands off to siya sa Pinoy.
Really?
Sabi niya talaga sa akin. So, ngayon yung ginagawa niya pag mga medications na hindi niya alam. Pero alam ko naman na, I'm sure they discussed this, yung medications, but they ask us mga Pinoy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Because they know that we
dyan
are, magaling tayo dun eh. Grabe yung quality ng education natin. Can you imagine? I don't know, which school are you? Pwede ba natin i-mention yung mga
Ako,
schools
okay lang,
natin?
okay lang,
You're in
okay lang.
Fatima, no?
Oh.
Tapos ikaw, anong school mo sa may
Cebu Normal University. Shout out.
Oh,
Crimson
it always
Emerald.
tops, no? Sa mga
Yeah,
nursing,
so far,
nursing board
100%,
exams.
wala pa kaming,
Shout out po sa West Visayas State
parehas.
University.
Parang State College, same.
Yes, so
Magaling
it's a state
din.
university.
Magaling din.
So I think it's a concept sa Pilipinas na if you are coming from a state university, very competitive po going into that. Grabe yung screening. You have to be valedictorian, salutatorian. If you're not that, or
Cream
wala
of the
kang
crop,
honors,
kumbaga.
hindi ka makakapasok kasi ang hirap ng mga entrance exams.
Yeah,
tama.
kasi West Visayas, Cebu Normal, ano siya, Center of Nursing Education.
Yeah, Center of Excellence.
Center of Excellence, yeah.
ganun yun, yeah.
Yun.
ang
Pero sa
hirap.
sanabi mo, kasi madaming countries na gusto yung Pinoy.
Yeah.
So, they tend to, attract Filipinos.
Yeah.
Kaya umalis yung mga Pinoy kasi ito yung salary. Free, free flight,
And
free accommodation.
they actually go to the Philippines to recruit.
Kasi
and
nakita nila kasi yung gawa ng Pilipino.
Yeah.
Pero mo yun pinupuntahan sa Pilipinas.
Yes,
diba?
that's what happened to me. As my story was
Anong agency mo?
Oman Phil.
Oman Phil.
Yeah, same. Same na din. Oman Phil.
Shout out Oman Phil.
ASC, yeah.
Shout out AAC.
Sana po sa Oman Phil. Thank you so
Baka
much.
naman.
Ito na kami ngayon.
Ito na po kami ngayon.
Yung
Oh,
product.
this is great. They can
Yeah.
sponsor us.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, is it an Manila office yung Oman Phil na pumunta ka or meron sa Iloilo?
No, Cebu. So I have
Jerry,
to go to Cebu.
Ma'am Jerry.
Ma'am Jerry.
Ma'am
Yes.
Jerry.
Oh, shout out
Ang
po,
dami.
Ma'am Jerry.
Mga guest dito, mga Ma'am Jerry.
I really?
Oo, Ma'am Jerry.
Ay,
This
teka
is-
lang, Oman Phil? Kasi ano yung tama na. Lahat kayo Oman Phil, ha?
It's actually a good. Are they still on?
No,
Oman Phil?
they are, pero si Ma'am Jerry wala na siya.
Okay.
Pero naka-hold na yata ngayon eh.
Hindi,
Yung-
actually hindi pa.
May
Kasi may mga
pupunta?
dumadating na, sabi nga, di ba?
Ay, oo pala.
May mga community.
dumating.
Ah,
Mga community.
okay. So it
Sa
depends.
Central London.
Pakonti-konti. Pero hindi na tulad natin nung
Hindi na
No,
time
it
na
really was a massive hiring.
isang eroplano, halos lahat ng
Halos
pasero.
lahat Pinoy.
Oo,
Tapos ito
Pinoy.
pa, ang pag UK kasi, sa US medyo matagal. Pero sa UK kasi, they offer like 3 to 6 months, fly
Alis ka
na.
na.
Fly na.
O,
yeah.
sinong di
It's also
mapapaano?
that's what happened to
Diba?
me. Yeah. So from interview process, I think 3 to 6 months for sure nasa UK ka na. As long as you got your IELTS, your CBT,
CBT,
mga ganyan
Bilis,
mga
no?
exams. Mabilis lang.
Dati, sa Manila pa tayo nag-IOM.
Yeah,
Ayun,
no.
meron na sa Cebu.
Meron na ba ata sa Cebu, I
meron na
think,
sa
yeah.
mga ano, so mas mabilis.
Yeah.
Tapos, wala pang gastos.
Wala pa.
Wala kang
no.
gastos.
Free.
Yeah.
Hindi pa
kasi-
sila alam.
Kasi kung nurse ka,
I-refund,
ano
yeah.
ba, alis na ako.
Yeah.
Tama.
Di ba? So,
Do the Philippine hospitals offer that
Oh.
service sa atin? No.
may mga iba pa nga dahil may interview sa mga ganyan, nag-absent.
Mm.
Kasi tama naman ginawa nila.
Yeah,
Hindi ka
prioritize.
mag-absent sa work mo kasi
Yeah.
love mo talaga yung work mo doon, tapos may interview ka for a good opportunity
May mga
in UK,
ganun.
di ba?
Yeah.
So, 1, economic.
Number 2 is the
Pera.
quality
Number 2 is
education.
quality
Yeah.
Yeah, so best nurses.
Yeah.
Number 3,
Number 3 is being forced.
Being forced.
Familial
okay,
familial
yeah,
factors.
oo.
yeah.
And
Which is
most
not
of
a
us
bad
know.
thing for
It's
me.
not a bad thing, I
It's a bad
think.
thing.
Yeah. Sa Pilipinas kasi grabe yung say ng mga family members
We
natin.
respect kasi.
We respect the elders, kung ano and then the college education in the Philippines is not free. It comes from the bank of mom and dad.
Yeah.
So kung anong gusto nila, you might have to you should respect that. So especially if you're someone kasi back in my time, wala pang you will graduate high school or secondary school when you're at the age of 16
17.
or 17. Yep. And then there will be 4 years of nursing school sa Pilipinas. That's one difference. In the nursing education, we do 4 years. Bachelor of Science degree in the Philippines compared to the UK, which is 3 years. And they consider it as vocational. Super expensive, £9,000.
Yes.
Please. Anyway, so yeah, it's 4 years Bachelor of Science degree. And that will all be sponsored by the bank of mom and dad. If your family is not rich or wala kayo masyadong kaya, there are some universities na nag-offer ng mga scholarships. You have to be very, very
Or
smart.
CHAD scholarships.
Yeah, mga government scholarships or be an academic scholarships. What is really tough
It's really difficult
to maintain
to
that,
maintain grades, yeah.
especially in nursing school, because they will actively put it like they will limit. I will not give one, or I don't know what the grading system is in your universities, but they will not give you one or the perfect score. Kung may mga nursing subjects, hirapan nila talaga. So yun, mga family factors is one of the reasons they force you to be a nurse because of the reason na mabilis gusto ka kanila mag-abroad.
Yung iba may family na rin nandito.
Yes, in the UK
Parang
or
mga
abroad.
aunt,
Yeah, mga aunties nila na
mga aunties,
nurse ka
Auntie sa
kasi
US.
Kukunin ka namin,
kukunin ka
mapapabilis.
namin. Yeah.
Add ko lang sa sanabi mo yung force ba. May mga parents kasi na parang nag-entice sa mga anak nila para lang mag-take ng nursing. Like ako, sinabihan ako before na mag-nursing ka lang, tapos pagkatapos mo ng 4 years, pag tapos ka na, kunin mo na yung course na gusto mo. Eh syempre, pag natapos ka na nursing, pagod ka na. Gusto mo pa ba mag-aral?
Exactly.
So,
yeah.
patuloy ko ng nursing. And then eventually, I learned to love nursing.
That's what
Diba?
yeah, same. Kasi I think it's easier to just love whatever you are in now. Kasi
What you
naman
have, yeah.
ulit ka ulit.
Kapag
Wag na.
Kasi grabe pagdadaanan mo dun sa nursing process eh.
Oo.
Hanggang board exam na grabe.
Umaiyak-iyak ka pa ng student ka, lalo na third
Diba?
year pharmacology.
Diba? Pharma, third year, mahirap.
Yeah, ang hirap
Tapos
doon.
sa amin, bago pa makagraduate, may exam, parang comprehensive exam.
Yeah.
Pag nakapasa ka doon, tsaka ka lang makagraduate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pag okay na, graduate ka na, may isa pang exam, qualifying exam, para mag-board exam naman.
Yeah, if you don't pass that,
Hindi
you're
ka
not
naman
ready
pwede
to
mag-board
take the board
exam.
exam.
Ma-hold yung parang clearance mo. So,
Correct.
talagang salang-sala
Yeah.
talaga. So, pag okay na, mag-review ka pa for how
Yeah.
many months, di ba? Teka, anong review center mo, bro?
It's an in-house review center ng
Ah,
West Visayas State
okay.
University. Shout out po, baka gusto nyo yung sponsor to.
Ikaw, bro.
Saan powerhouse?
And in Cebu.
Cebu, Visayas.
Okay.
And they're a private company, no? Are they still on, ang mga review centers? I think so, no?
I think so.
Meron pa
yeah.
naman siguro.
No?
Pero
Uy, malaking sahod dun.
Kamay na lang.
Hindi
Konti
tulad
na lang
dati
siguro.
na grabing kabilaan talaga yung mga review
Yeah,
centers.
because of
no?
the numbers of the...
Konti na lang siguro yung mga students.
Ako, the Royal Pentagon.
So,
Manila
parang
yan.
pang US, parang
The
pang
Royal,
US, bro.
the Royal Pentagon Review Specialist. Wow.
Wow.
Wow, parang pang NCLEX na yan, diretso ah.
Mga ganun. Sa Manila naman siya.
Oh, nila siya. Okay.
So, yun. Ano pa, bro? Yung last.
Yung last na...
Ayaw pala. Kasi,
One
yun
of the another reason kung bakit
another reason.
ang daming mga nurses abroad. I think one reason is the opportunity seeking. Parang the opportunities
career
progression,
Career growth.
professional
Oo,
development.
tama.
Yes, that's it.
Yeah.
That's number
Number
4 na
four,
reason.
yeah.
Bakit? Kasi let's face it, sa Pilipinas, I don't know kung saan kayo mga hospitals, ang bagal ng career progression ng nurse doon. If you're a nurse sa hospital mo, in my case sa Iloilo, yun isang private hospital sa Iloilo. What's next for you? Walang growth to be a clinical nurse specialist. Walang mga ganyang roles.
Wala. Oh.
Walang growth to be. Siguro yung next in line after being a staff nurse is senior staff
Management
nurse.
na.
And then after that management na.
Yeah.
And not all nurses would like to go into
Management,
management.
yeah.
Tapos matagal, bro, yung process.
Man, ang tagal. Maghihintay ka muna mamatay yung mga ano doon.
Tapos,
mag-retire.
Oo.
Tapos, kahit na
Mag-retire.
mamatay sila kung wala kang backer.
Oh.
Yes.
Tama naman sa Philippines, politics. Backer.
Admit
backer.
lang, honesty naman, di ba? Ang backer, sabi mo, totoo naman.
Totoo naman, oh.
Nangyayari
Real
naman
talk.
talaga. Real
It's
talk.
not what you know, it's who you know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So, you know.
Yeah, but di naman lahat. Hindi naman
Yeah.
lahat. Meron
It
din
happens.
naman.
We acknowledge that it
It
happens,
happens.
It
yeah.
happens pa din, oh.
Yep. So unlike when a nurse goes to a Western country, like here in our case, the UK, marami kang roles na pwede mo i-explore to advance your careers. Clinical nurse specialist, research nurse, sa field mo, Siege, which is digital
Digital
nursing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And soon.
And soon, me,
Soon. Mali mo, pag ano na to, ano ka na.
baka I'll join your team.
Yeah.
So yeah, career progression and career growth is a thing that is missing still in the Philippine nursing world.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
yun din. As Pinoy nurses, we seek that. I know there are some people na gusto nila magstay in their current role. They're happy with that.
That's okay.
Yeah. But sa Pilipinas wala masyadong opportunities like that.
Pero may mga nurses talaga doon na nagsistay, no?
Oh, mainly
Siguro
because
okay
they
na
have
sweldo
families there.
Tsaka okay na siguro sweldo na
But I think,
Nakaroon
kahit
na
naman nag-stay sila doon, at some point of their nursing career,
Yes.
of their life,
They
they consider as na mag-abroad sila.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Bro, dun sa sinabi ni Ed na mga reasons, gusto ko malaman for you, may pasok ba doon na mga reasons for you?
Actually, pasok lahat. Pero, the more yung sa number one. Kasi, sino bang hindi kailangan ng pera?
Oo,
Diba?
naman.
Kailangan natin
Number one reason talaga
feed
yun.
yung self natin tsaka yung family natin. Of course, Filipino culture talaga natulungan yung family natin sa Pilipinas. Yeah. So, number one, yung nag-resonate talaga
Yung,
sa akin.
bukod dun sa number one, kasi given na yun eh. Ano pa?
Yung ma-add ko lang sa apat yung sinabi mo, ako sa sa fan side naman, kasi meron din akong onting, may reason, naisip ko rin itong reason bakit gusto ko mag-abroad. Kasi dito sa abroad, kasi malig ako mag-travel.
Oh, okay.
So, more on sa recreational side. But sa Philippines kasi ang mahal-mahal ng ticket.
Hindi mo kaya as a nurse. Can you travel there as a nurse?
Even Cebu or Manila to...
Mabigat.
Nakita ko,
mabigat.
Cebu to Siargao,
Yeah.
Manila to Siargao, 10,000.
Pag-iipunan mo. Kahit nga
10,000.
punta kang Boracay or mabigat.
Pag-ipunan mo muna
Parang
ng
1 month. Kahit bibili ka ng iPhone.
No, ilang years.
Ilang months, 1 year, 2 years to yun, dito. Diba? Hindi naman sa pagano, pero dito kasi kaya mo siyang i-bank lang.
Anytime.
Kaya mo siyang
Anytime,
on cash on hand. That's
Yeah.
it.
Hindi kami nag-ano pero yun lang yung kino-compare namin. So yun sa recreational side, shopping, tsaka travel, magagawa mo siya sa abroad. I'm not saying this in the Philippines, pero more on sa abroad. Mahirap sa Philippines.
Mabilis mo magawa sa abroad.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yun.
Yan. Sige.
Ikaw, anong
Saka
mga-
for me kasi, may kakaiba kong reason. Pero given yung number one, talaga. Any nurse naman talaga yung number one reason.
Yeah.
Yung pangalawa, medyo related dun sa travel mo, bro. Kasi ako, eventually, malit kasi yung sahod ko nag-start. Pero eventually, na-regular naman ako sa hospital as a nurse 1. Nurse 1 is like band 5. Pero nag-sahod ako noon ang kinsenas ko noon, umaabot na rin ng mga 16K.
Sa government hospital to?
Government hospital.
Ah, okay.
So, pag kaming dalawang mag-asawa,
Yeah.
parang
40.
parang okay na, sapat na eh.
You can live with
So,
that.
na.
Yeah.
sapat nang mabuhay sa Pilipinas
Correct.
na
Comfortably.
pareho
Parang
kami.
sakto lang.
Actually, si Mrs. naging nurse 2 pa siya.
Oh.
So, parang sapat na. Si Mrs. kasi nag-abroad na siya, nag-Singapore na. So,
Before, yeah.
wala na siyang balak. Parang akala niya doon na kami magsettle sa Philippines. So, ako noon, regular ako. Pero wala pa yung bahay. Ang reason ko noon, bukod doon sa mga reasons, yung una, yung mga na-train ko na mga nurses,
Yeah.
dumaan sa kamay ko.
Mga kamay mo.
Mga kamay ko, na-train ko. Nakikita ko sa Facebook, puro mga nasa Switzerland,
Yeah.
Oo.
nasa, alam mo yun, sa Ireland, kung saan-saan. Ako, parang, nandun ako, nag-duty, night shift. Sabi, Facebook, kasi makita mo, ako pa nag-train nito Parang,
Yeah.
ano mo ginagawa ko dito?
O, hindi naman sa naiingit, bro. Parang, panisip pa lang kung kaya nila, siguro
Oo,
kaya ko
siguro
din.
kaya ko rin.
Yeah.
Kasi, nakaya rin nila eh. Why not i-try ko? Kasi,
You will have the what ifs.
Oo, kailan ko ba to itatry pag matanda na
Matanda
ako?
ka na.
Dumating yan ako sa point na yon kasi nag-abroad ako, 35 years old na ako nag-abroad.
Oh.
Marami na ako naging work sa Pilipinas.
Okay.
So, kaya akala ng asawa ko, doon na kami magsisettle. Pero nung nag-edad akong 35, parang, pwede pa. Naisip ko nun, it's too late na siguro kung 40 na
Saka
ako.
walang age discrimination sa UK.
Walang
No,
age
wala,
discrimination.
yeah,
Pero
yeah.
parang kaya ko pa makipagsabayan at the age of 35 eh.
Yeah.
Parang 34 pala ako doon going 35. Parang pwede pa. So, yun, isa sa reason yun. Parang gusto ko to explore the world. Kasi pag nasa UK ako, feeling ko, kaya
Easy access to
easy
other
access
countries,
to Europe,
Yeah.
and kung magiging British ka, to US. Yun ang isa. And may additional ako dyan, bro.
Ano?
Ano naman kasi may family na ako, di ba? Family man. I have 2 kids, a boy and a girl. Naisip ko nun yung future ng mga bata. Yan ang isang reason. Kasi ako, okay na ako lang, mag-stay ako sa Philippines.
Yeah.
Na okay na ako na regular employee. Kaya naman may kotse ka, na pwede ka mag-small business, di ba? Pero dahil inisip ko rin yung opportunity of the kids na
Yeah.
pag dito sila lumaki, di na sila
That's true. Yeah.
tulad ko na mag-a-apply pa abroad and all.
Correct,
Gusto
yeah.
ko pag dito sila lumaki, maganda opportunity nila sa school, free schooling, education. Kasi kahit saan sila mag-graduate dito sa London, as long as you graduated in London,
Yeah.
or in UK, anywhere in the UK,
Maganda yung opportunity
maganda
sila.
opportunity nila.
Correct.
in
May
the
question ako,
future.
bro. Yung mga anak mo, would you suggest to them na mag-nursing?
Hindi,
Dito?
bro.
Di, bakit?
Hindi. Kasi actually sa mga anak ko, hayaan ko sila kung anong gusto nila. Hindi ko sila, syempre I will give options, bro.
Yeah.
I will give na parang option na pwede kayo magganto, pero hayaan ko sila kung anong gusto nila. It depends naman, bro, sa nursing. Kasi parang feeling ko may better opportunity as a
Aside from
nurse.
that, yeah.
Okay naman, kung gusto nila mag-nurse ng son ko or daughter ko, why not, di ba? So, susuportahan ko sila kasi nurse kaming mag-asawa. Pero kung may, aside from nursing na siguro,
Yeah.
na opportunity, why not? Try muna yung iba.
Tsaka nag-nursing naman tayo kasi yun yung susi para makapag-abroad tayo.
Exactly.
Ay, yung mga anak mo nandito
Nasa abroad na eh.
Yeah. Tsaka sa
Correct,
UK,
yeah.
Oh.
madami akong kilala na anak ng mga nurses na
Oh.
hindi sila nursing because dito sa UK, they may mga course na lang sa arts,
Oh, exactly.
sa
Yeah.
music. Yung parang yung
Iba
hobby,
na. Yung daughter ko,
talent talaga nila.
yung daughter ko ang gusto niya kukunin daw, gusto niya maging theater actress.
Oh, di ba?
Yeah.
Theater arts.
Naisip niya lang yun nung dumating siya sa London kasi wala naman theater sa Pilipinas,
wala
di ba?
naman, yeah.
Yung son ko, gusto niya skilled. Kasi actually po, sa mga nanonood, kung usapan ng mga skilled, mga plumber, electrical, mas mataas pa ang sahod kaysa sa nurses dito sa
correct,
UK.
yeah.
Kaya hindi ko sila pinipilit ko anong gusto nyo. Sige, why not, di ba?
limited to nursing.
Yeah.
So would you say na mas maganda yung magiging buhay ng mga anak mo? I'm saying this for the sake of other Filipino nurses na parents din. Would you rather say na parang mas okay yung opportunities to raise a family here in the UK compared to the Philippines? Or will it come down to individual circumstances?
I think you're one step ahead pag nandito ka sa abroad.
I think so too. Yeah, I would agree to that.
Oo.
Yeah.
Okay naman sa Philippines mag-raise siyempre ng ng kids, ng family. Of course, doon tayo lumaki. Gusto rin nating makuha yung Filipino.
There's a bigger support group.
Oh,
I think,
bigger
in the
support
Philippines
group,
in terms
yung
of family.
gusto nating lumaki sila as yung Filipino traits makuha nila.
Yeah.
Pero pag nandito sa abroad, they're one step ahead in terms of opportunity.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true.
Tapos yung mga nag-iiba yung personality nila, bro.
Correct.
Kasi parang dito nakapunta sa ibang countries, may nakakausap silang mga alam mo na,
Iba-ibang
iba-ibang
culture, ibang
So,
places.
yeah. Yun.
Add ko lang pala, tayo ba mga nurses no will take care of mga sick people. Paano tayo kung sa Pilipinas tayo nag-aalaga ng mga may sakit? Paano pag yung family natin or tayo yung nagkasakit?
Oo.
Oh, that's tough.
Magastos, 'di ba?
Magastos.
Yung sweldo natin as a nurse hindi
PhilHealth will
kaya.
not even cover a day in your hospital bills.
Yes.
Yes, exactly.
Mm.
So, yung minsan yung mga nurses nag-abroad sila because they want the benefits, not just the monetary, also the benefits. Sabi mo
Free
nga, free education.
education, yeah.
Dito sa UK, free
Healthcare.
healthcare. Sa US, although walang free healthcare, pero meron silang insurance.
Oo.
Yeah.
Sa Philippines, there is insurance, pero
Mabigat.
Premiums are
sweldo
heavy.
kasi, your sweldo is, hindi siya enough para
para mag-cover ng
To pay
insurance.
for the
magbigay ka pa ng,
Oo.
maglaan ka ng, for the insurance. It's good
Yeah.
Tama.
for the day.
Yung
at
sahod
the
mo kasi
day
parang
to figure
na-computed na yun for a month.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ganun.
So, yun din.
Yeah, that's true. Ang mga
Benefits.
benefits dito.
Yeah.
Mas maganda talaga.
Tapos siyempre, inisip mo rin yung future na, example, magkakasakit ako lahat naman tayo in the future, magkakasakit tayo, kasi tumatanda tayo, humihina tayo. Pero siyempre, maisip mo yun, kahit sa Philippines, kahit sobrang dami mong ipon, pinaghirapan mo buong
Isang
buhay
diagnosis.
mo,
It will take you one diagnosis and that's it.
that's it. Pag lahat ng naipon mo, di ba? Wala.
Wala na.
Kaya yun, dito,
Bibili ka pa ng antibiotics. Ito, dito, if makasakit ka, if ever, hopefully not, wala ka nang pupulibahin. You just have to focus on getting better.
yes. Kahit
Kasi
yung mga
like,
namin bro, nakita ko kasi endoscopy ako. Di ba pag free ang namin, procedures.
In the Philippines, it's gonna be super expensive.
Yeah, so the normal diagnostic procedure in
Yeah.
the Philippines, I think for gastroscopy, it costs around maybe 12,000 to 20,000.
Normal, ha? Yeah.
And for colonoscopy, maybe it takes around 20,000 or more.
Yeah.
Lalo na yung mga ERCP, yung mga pangdurog ng stone, 100 plus pataas, lalo na sa mga private hospitals.
Correct.
So dito, ginagawa namin yung libre, araw-araw. Minsan nga, yung pasyente pa di sumisipot eh. Parang
Yeah.
di nila ma-appreciate yung, alam mo,
The value of
ako
the free
minsan
healthcare.
naisip ko bro, sa Pilipinas, laking bagay to.
People will have to sell stuff before they get the procedure.
Pero dito parang, ikaw pa mangungulit
Yeah.
na may procedure
So, parang
ka.
ako pa may kailangan sa'yo.
Oo, sila pang,
It's
diba?
sad no kay because these nurses sa Philippines, they're the ones taking care of the sick.
Yeah.
Oh,
Pag
yun
tayo
lang.
na magkasakit, ang hirap ng buhay.
Oo.
Di ba? Sad.
Tama.
Ayun, but moving forward tayo sa
Things will get better, hopefully.
Positive tayo.
Oo.
Ed, kung ikaw, do you think na etong pag-work mo dito sa UK, is this your final na ba to? Or close na yung chapter mo for Philippines na mag-work ka dun as a nurse?
I'm going to tell you about my feelings when I went home last sa may Pilipinas.
Kailan ka muwi?
That was December. Pasko
December.
yun. Nagpasko ko ng Pilipinas 2024 until early weeks of 2025, January. Tapos, when I think of home as a concept, my thinking sa loob ng utak ko is London. Yeah, so I think that tells me na parang, okay, I'm settled here. I think this is gonna be my new home.
Okay.
But if you tell me na, if the nursing situation and the healthcare in the Philippines improves,
Yeah.
I would very much be willing to go back and help them improve the services, especially sa cancer field
Yes.
where I work. I'm really
Yeah.
passionate about cancer care. I really think na ang mga cancer patients deserves the best care. All patients deserve the best care, but dealing with cancer is really tough. And sa mga cancer patients sa Pilipinas, I think some of the treatments that we are currently that we are having here sa UK na available is hindi available sa Pilipinas. Some patients will have to go abroad pa, Singapore, Hong Kong, to get treatments. I think if the situation in the Philippines will get better, I will go back and help build projects or mga clinics that can help support these cancer patients get access to the treatments that they deserve.
Yeah. Grabe. Ako din, bro, gusto kung may chance din, pwede ko din dalhin yung digital nursing sa Philippines because I
Because
believe
it's a foreign concept, no?
Yeah, I believe it's a lot of potential kasi sa Philippines, 'di ba, internet, social media,
Yeah.
connectivity. So parang ang ganda ng potential.
Philippines is the
Kaso lang,
heaviest
Yes.
internet user.
Yeah, kaso
Yes.
lang, question is yung government will support ba?
Yes.
Yeah. Sad, but hopefully sana.
We'll get better.
Kaya vote Ed for
Wisely.
president.
Vote
Vote wisely. Yeah. Next time, vote wisely.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, pa-close na tayo, bro.
Yes.
Ikaw, Ed, kung tatanungin kita, what can you advise to? Kasi I'm very sure na may mga nakikinig dyan or nanonood sa atin today. They're stuck in the Philippines, wanting to go abroad, but they can't kasi siguro may iniisip sila, magdadalawang isip sila. What can you advise to these people?
Go for it. If you have the opportunity to go abroad, take that chance, take that leap. You will learn a lot of things. Going to a different country will make you learn so much about yourself, so much about life, so much about other cultures. It will widen your perspective. It's going to be a worth it trip. It's not going to be easy. I'm sure it's going to be worth it. You can try it and see na tatagal ka sa country na yan, or just try it for yourself. And if you don't like it, you can go back to the Philippines. But my suggestion is go and try it while you're young. Go for it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't even matter if you're young or not. Try it. I think everyone deserves to experience a different country and discover life and themselves.
Agree.
Ikaw, bro. Ano sabi mo?
Ang masasabi ko lang, Filipinos deserve Filipino nurses. Kasi, Pilipino tayo puso Parang nakakasakit. Parang
That's a really good
nakaka-hurt
statement.
Na, nakaka-hurt na.
No?
Umalis tayo pero sino mag-alaga sa mga... Pero Filipino nurses deserve better pay, better compensation, better working conditions.
Correct. I agree. 100%.
Yeah. Kayo yung mga nagsasabi na kung pagod kayo, hindi mag-resign kayo.
Wow. Yes. I think there's a viral
Diba?
post
Mga ganun
recently
na,
about that.
Oo.
Yeah.
No, man. Hindi pwede. Tao rin kaming mga nurses. We're not heroes here.
Yeah.
May mga feelings din kami. And isa to sa mga reasons talaga bakit ang daming umalis sa Pilipinas just because ang pakikitungo nyo sa mga nurses is parang muchacha.
Oo.
No, we're not muchacha here. Hello?
Yeah, tsaka asking nurses to resign, it doesn't solve the problem.
Yeah,
Diba?
it doesn't. No.
Ayan.
So, kayo mga Filipino, mga politicians, tingnan nyo, review the healthcare.
They wouldn't experience because they will be going to a private hospital.
Yun nga. So, punta kayo sa mga public hospital.
I want
Diba?
I want them to see it for themselves, and I want them to cry
Yeah.
at the situation of a simple regular Filipino having dengue.
Yeah.
Yung anak niya ganyan, tapos ang tagal ng waiting times. I want them to see it for themselves,
Yeah.
and then I want to interview them and see how you feel.
But the question, Ed, is, pag nakita nila yung batang may sakit or matandang may sakit, yung matanda na siya yung
Nag-ambubag.
nag-ambubag sa self
Alam mo
niya,
yun?
sa
Sa government.
ED,
Oo.
ma-hurt ba sila or pera pa din yung habol nila?
Yeah,
Yun yung question.
that's the question.
Diba?
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah.
ikaw, bro.
For me, I think, dapat makita nila yung, kasi I work in the government hospital, nakikita naman nila Pumunta naman sila dun. Pero, I think walang action or mabagal yung action. Sana lang po na magkaroon ng katarungan ang mga nurses natin sa Pilipinas. Kasi, in the first place, kung mataas naman yung pasahod sa atin, hindi naman
Hindi
kami
maalis.
nandito. Hindi naman kaya alis. Kasi we're happy to serve our own people.
Yeah.
And doon naman po sa mga nurses dyan sa Philippines ngayon na nagdadalawang isip kayo mag-abroad, malamang pag nakita nyo tong episode na to, ang ma-advise ko lang is wag na kayo na mag-waste ng time. Kung nagdadalawang isip kayo. Time is precious. Life is short. If you're thinking about it,
Just
go for
do
it. Do it. You never know. Kung, di ba, hanggat di kayo nandun, di nyo malalaman,
Yes.
Correct.
well, you still have the option to go back to the Philippines,
Correct.
pero at least na-try nyo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ayun, thank you so much. Ang ganda ng topic today.
Grabe no, ang heavy.
Heavy, no? Pero maganda kasi marami tayong ma-share sa mga...
It's really nice.
And guys, kung may ma-add sila na reasons, comment down below.
Yes, we can
Yes.
discuss about
Diba?
that. I'll be happy.
Yes,
We
yes.
can have a part 2.
Yes.
Oy, pwede mag-part 2, no?
Comment nyo lang guys para pag-usapan natin next time. At dahil dyan, thank you so much Ed.
Thank you,
And may
Ed.
gift kami sa'yo. Actually,
Wow.
gamit mo na, I guess.
Again, 11
Yan
lang
yung
meron
last
Ito na. Oh, thank you so
Ayan.
much.
That's for you.
Yes.
Yan
Yeah.
yung pinaka-last na
Kailangan ko to.
limited edition. Yeah, so
Yeah.
yun.
Coffee every
Thank you
morning.
for your time.
Thank you so much.
Ed.
Where can kasi 'di ba nagko-content
Yeah,
creation
where
ka na?
can we follow
Where
you?
can our
Yeah.
our audience?
Nakaka-flatter
Sige lang,
naman. I'm a beginning content creator sa Facebook. Kakastart ko lang po mag-monetize.
Wow.
I don't even know what I'm
Congrats.
doing. I'm into tattoos, fitness, climbing, and lifestyle maybe in the future. I actually don't know what to do, but I need to continue it. And if you want to follow me on Facebook, Ed Maestro Campo, and Instagram, Ed the Mentalist. You will see some content na baka magustuhan nyo.
Ay, thank
Okay.
you.
Shout
Thank you
out.
po.
Mas gusto ko shout out mga taga
Shout
Iloilo.
out po sa mga taga Iloilo. Nandito na po ako sa Nurse Nurse Show.
Sige, in Ilonggo.
Jared ko sabay, Nurse Nurse Show. Mga taga Iloilo, hello po. Shout out hello sa inyo.
Sabihin mo sila na manood.
Lantaw ka mo sa Nurse Nurse Show sa mga Ilonggo nurses da. This is namin ni siya nga show kay makadiscuss ka mo sa mga problema sa kabuhi, kag mga pang-agyan nyo as a nurse sa Pilipinas or sa abroad kung di man ka musubong.
Wow.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much, bro. And also, don't forget to follow Miss Siege Manto on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and wherever.
And,
Thank you.
Yeah. Follow me as well, EJ Abarientos, and my studio, EJ Creative Studios. Photographer po ako dito sa UK.
Okay.
Yep.
This is a show created by nurses for nurses. This is the
Nurse Nurse
Show! Thank you!
If you want to see more interesting nursing stories, follow the Nurse Nurse Show.
Nagustuhan niyo ba yung episode natin ngayon? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa chismis.
This is your safe space, mga ka-Nurse Squad. We feel you, we hear you, and we are you. This is the Nurse Nurse Show. Dito ka belong.